Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Joel Schwartz. I'm a board certified chiropractic neurologist and I practice in Monroe Township, New Jersey. This is a special video to my patients. First of all, I hope you're all safe and well during this very challenging time that we're having. I also wanted to let you know that I am doing telemedicine and I have a home-based program to help you with any healthcare problem that you're currently having. Now, we've been actually doing this program for the past week and it's working very well. You might be wondering, how can a chiropractor actually help me with neurology and other musculoskeletal problems through the internet? Well, let me explain how we do that. First of all, you that know me well know that for the last 25 years, I've practiced in teaching you as much as I can about how to take care of yourself at home. So that's just the way I've done things for a long time. I have an extensive video library that I've utilized for that. So what we're going to do is take that program and really bump it up to a higher level and really give you all the tools that you need to take care of yourself at home during this very challenging time. Now, let me just tell you a little bit more, elaborate a little bit more on what I mean by our program and how it can be helpful to you. First of all, just consider that if you were coming in to see me normally, you might be coming in 2 to 3 times a week for a half an hour or more for each visit. If you consider the fact that there's 168 hours available for you in any week, that means you're going to be seeing me at the most for 3 hours in a week, including travel time, etc. So that really leaves 165 hours when you're on your own. Now, do you think that 165 hours might have an impact on your health? Well, of course it does. It has a tremendous impact. So what we're going to do in this program that we're developing now is we're going to shift the emphasis on you. We're going to teach you how to really take care of yourself in a very high level way during that 165 hours that you have at home for yourself. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. Now, you're going to need a little bit more guidance. What we're going to do in that case is I want to explain to you how it really works on the internet. On the internet, if you search under any problem, dizziness, vertigo, low back pain, sciatica, whatever it is, some of the things that I treat, you're going to come up, for example, with sciatica, the one best stretch for sciatica, or the one best exercise for lower back pain. Well, you know that actually doesn't exist, and the reason it doesn't exist is all of us are very individual. We all have different body types, different patterns of muscle weakness and strength. We have different ages and health levels, and also some of us have degenerative disc disease, arthritis, spinal stenosis, all kinds of problems which make it so that one exercise is never going to do that for all of us. That's why we want to stick with this doctor-based program, and I'll be able to evaluate you over the internet. We have all these videos set up where we can actually have you watch a quick clip of what I'm going to be doing with you during the exam so you can practice some of the movements. And then when we get you on the video conference, we'll actually be going through the exam together. So you really don't need much to do this. All you need is a computer that has speakers, a microphone, and a video camera in it. Most laptops do have video cameras in them as well already. So that's all you need to do to get ready for it. What we'll do is, if you have a new problem, or something you've seen before in the past, it doesn't matter. If you want to share some information with me, like a current MRI report or possibly some blood work that you've gotten in the local laboratory, you can send that to me, or I can get it by calling the lab. I'll have all your records ready, and then we get on the video conference with you, and you and I will talk together, and then I'll examine you over the video conference by having you do a few movements and a few other tests. Then I'll render a diagnosis. Once the diagnosis is rendered, I will send you a series of videos to watch that are important for you taking care of your health problem. I'll also talk to you about it as well. But these videos are very specific, and they show you how to deal with issues like sciatica, low back pain, rotator cuff problems. And if you're the kind of person who wants to really take care of yourself and is willing to put a little extra time in, this is the perfect program for you, because it's actually going to make you the master of what healthcare problem you have. just by watching it yourself and learning how to do it and having my guidance through the program. So I think that this can be a very useful program for people who are self-motivated. That's all I have for now. Should you have any questions, you can put them in the comments section below, or you can just call me directly at the office. If you like this video, I'd appreciate you liking the video. You can click on the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel, because in the next couple weeks, I'm going to be sending out a lot more informational videos about this home-based healthcare program, as well as other instructional videos that are directly linked to it, so you can see how I use some of the techniques for you at home. Okay, I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks very much for watching, and please be safe and take care of yourself. I'll talk to you again soon.